Michelle, 1012, and Gwen Play Toys.
Yes.
And we're making slime. Let me show you.
Look at this.
Isn't it fun, guys? And this is a girl, is one of our neighbors, and say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm not her daddy, but she's like in kindergarten or something. Okay, bye for now.
Hey. Bye. That's so short, Michelle.
Okay, but that's what Kaylin did. Okay, everybody say bye to the camera.
Good. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna take bye, bye, and bye.
And bye.